Think cheap SUVs mean cheap quality? Think again. These 5 overlooked gems deliver premium features, rock-solid reliability, and genuine capability at prices that won't drain your bank account. Let's discover why smart buyers are snatching these up. Number 5. Subaru Crosstrek. Most people walk right past the Subaru Crosstrek at dealerships, mistaking it for just another compact crossover. That's their loss, because this unassuming SUV delivers capabilities that put many pricier competitors to shame. Starting at $26,995, the 2026 Crosstrek brings something increasingly rare to the market: genuine all-terrain ability without the premium badge markup. The standard symmetrical all-wheel drive system isn't just a checkbox feature, it's the same technology Subaru has refined over decades of rally racing and real-world testing. Combined with 9.3 inches of ground clearance, this compact SUV tackles trails that would leave typical city crossovers stranded. Under the hood, the 2.5-liter Subaru Boxer 4-cylinder engine produces 180 horsepower at 5,800 revolutions per minute and 178 pound-feet of torque at 3,700 revolutions per minute. These figures translate to responsive acceleration that handles highway merging and mountain passes with confidence. The hybrid variant takes efficiency further, pairing its Boxer engine with dual electric motors and a high-capacity lithium-ion battery for 38% better city fuel economy than conventional models. Even the standard gasoline model achieves respectable numbers: 33 miles per gallon highway and 26 miles per gallon city, with a driving range of 547 miles on a single tank. Space becomes the Crosstrek's secret weapon. With 120.5 cubic feet of interior volume, this SUV outclasses both the Toyota Corolla Cross and Mazda CX-5 in passenger and cargo accommodations. That extra room means camping gear, sports equipment, or weekly grocery hauls fit without Tetris-level packing skills. The flexible interior layout adapts to whatever adventure or errand the weekend brings. Safety technology comes standard, not optional. EyeSight driver assist technology monitors the road ahead, providing features like adaptive cruise control and pre-collision braking. The newly available driver-focused distraction mitigation system adds another layer of protection by tracking driver attention and alerting when focus wavers. The standard Subaru multimedia system keeps connectivity simple, avoiding the overly complicated interfaces plaguing some modern vehicles. 3 distinct trims cater to different needs. The flexible Crosstrek balances capability with daily usability. The efficient Crosstrek Hybrid appeals to eco-conscious drivers without sacrificing all-weather traction. The rugged Crosstrek Wilderness cranks up the adventure factor with enhanced off-road features. Whichever version fits your lifestyle, the fundamental Crosstrek formula remains: practical capability at an honest price. While others chase luxury badges or flashy designs, the Crosstrek focuses on doing the job right, which explains why Subaru owners tend to stick with the brand long after their first purchase. Number 4. Land Rover LR4 2016. Here's something the automotive media won't tell you. The 2016 Land Rover LR4 might be the last true luxury SUV built before manufacturers decided screens and sensors could replace actual engineering. This full-size British bruiser combines genuine off-road prowess with a level of refinement that puts many modern luxury SUVs to shame. The $50,900 price tag for a 2016 model might seem steep until you consider what's included: a supercharged 3.0-liter intercooled V6 producing 340 horsepower at 6,500 revolutions per minute and 332 pound-feet of torque at 3,500 revolutions per minute, an 8-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive that actually works when pavement ends. Weight tells part of the story. At 5,785 pounds, the LR4 possesses substantial mass, yet that heft contributes to the planted, composed feel on highways and rough terrain alike. The double wishbone front suspension and independent axle rear suspension with double wishbone configuration provide ride quality that isolates passengers from road imperfections while maintaining control during spirited driving. This isn't some jacked-up sedan pretending to be an SUV. The LR4 was engineered from the ground up as a capable off-roader that happens to excel on pavement. Capability extends beyond just driving. The LR4 can tow up to 7,716 pounds, with a maximum tongue weight of 772 pounds when using weight-distributing equipment. That means serious trailers, boats, or campers attach without drama. The 23-gallon fuel tank provides decent range, despite the 15 miles per gallon city and 19 miles per gallon highway ratings. Fuel economy never ranked as Land Rover's priority. Getting you and your cargo anywhere on Earth did. Seating arrangements offer flexibility rarely seen in modern SUVs. Standard 5-passenger capacity expands to 7 with the optional third row, making this a viable family hauler without compromising the luxury execution. The BMW X5, Mercedes-Benz GLE class, and Lexus GX460 compete in this segment, yet the LR4 brings a character and capability those German and Japanese rivals can't match. Standard features include stability control, a backup camera, and Bluetooth connectivity. Expected amenities presented in a package that prioritizes substance over gimmicks. The 14-inch disc brakes at all 4 corners provide stopping power proportional to the vehicle's capabilities. 4-wheel disc ABS ensures controlled stops even when carrying maximum loads or towing at capacity. Standard stop-start technology helps squeeze a bit more efficiency from the supercharged V6 in city traffic. The LR4 represents Land Rover before the brand chased sleek styling and tech trends. When these vehicles still focused on going places other SUVs couldn't reach while keeping passengers comfortable and connected to the experience. Number 3. Mazda CX-5. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 underwent a complete redesign, and the results showcase what happens when engineers prioritize driving enjoyment alongside practicality. Mazda's Kodo Soul of Motion design philosophy transforms sheet metal into something that looks fast, standing still. The signature wing front grille, angular headlight elements, and available 19-inch wheels create visual drama without resorting to aggressive styling cliches. This SUV conveys movement and purpose, a refreshing departure from the anonymous blobs dominating dealership lots. Step inside, and the minimalistic interior design creates a calm, functional environment where drivers can focus on the road ahead. Premium materials and finishes elevate the cabin atmosphere beyond what the $29,990 price suggests. Available ambient lighting in the door panels adds subtle sophistication during evening drives. Rear passengers benefit from increased leg, knee, and headroom compared to the previous generation, making the CX-5 a legitimate option for families or anyone who regularly carries adult passengers. Technology integration reaches new heights with the available 15.6-inch center touchscreen display, the largest screen ever offered in a Mazda vehicle. Unlike some manufacturers that force drivers to navigate through touchscreens, exclusively, Mazda's HMI philosophy provides multiple interaction methods: touchscreen, tactile steering wheel controls, and voice commands. This multimodal approach lets drivers choose their preferred method based on the situation and personal preference. The 2026 CX-5 becomes the first Mazda with Google built-in, complimentary for 1 year. Google Assistant provides hands-free help, Google Maps handles navigation duties, and Google Play Access brings countless apps into the vehicle ecosystem. Future updates will include Gemini, Google's AI assistant that processes natural language requests. Power comes from Skyactiv G 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engines, producing between 187 and 192 horsepower with 252 to 258 Newton-meters of torque in base configurations. Those wanting more muscle can opt for the 2.5-liter turbo, generating up to 227 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. Both engines mate to a 6-speed Skyactiv drive automatic transmission with manual shift mode for drivers who want greater control. Mazda's iActive all-wheel drive system monitors conditions and adjusts torque distribution to maintain traction and stability. Select models feature cylinder deactivation technology that improves fuel efficiency during light-load cruising. Dimensions hit the sweet spot for urban maneuverability and cargo capacity. At 4,575 millimeters long, 1,845 millimeters wide, and 1,680 millimeters tall, the CX-5 navigates tight parking structures while offering 33.7 cubic feet of cargo volume with rear seats up, expanding to 66.5 cubic feet when seats fold flat. The 2,700mm wheelbase provides a smooth ride and stable handling characteristics. The 58-liter fuel tank offers adequate range for weekend getaways or daily commutes. Mazda engineered the CX-5 for drivers who refuse to compromise, who want an SUV that handles like a well-sorted sedan while providing the space and utility modern life demands. Number 2. Kia Sportage. Innovation doesn't always announce itself with flashing lights and marketing campaigns. Sometimes it arrives quietly, packaged in a practical SUV that simply does everything better than expected. The 2026 Kia Sportage gets a modern interior refresh featuring a sleek dashboard, redesigned 2-spoke steering wheel, and available 2-tone interior options that elevate the cabin atmosphere. Class-leading second-row legroom of 41.3 inches means adult passengers travel comfortably on road trips without constant complaints about cramped quarters. Families and carpoolers appreciate this thoughtful dimension that many competitors overlook. Cargo capacity impresses whether seats are up or down. With rear seats folded flat, the Sportage swallows adventure gear, tools, sports equipment, or shopping hauls that would overwhelm lesser vehicles. Even with seats upright for passenger duty, the Sportage offers class-leading cargo room, a rare achievement in the competitive compact SUV segment. Front row occupants enjoy available heated and ventilated seats that adjust to different climates and preferences. The available two-position memory driver's seat saves and recalls two preset positions, eliminating the adjustment dance when multiple drivers share the vehicle. Styling receives attention through new accent trim finishes and available interior color options, including the striking terracotta on X-Line models. The available panoramic sunroof provides an expansive sky view that creates an airy, open driving experience even when all windows are closed. These details demonstrate Kia's commitment to making the Sportage feel special, not just functional. At $28,790, this SUV delivers premium touches without premium pricing. The 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine generates 187 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque, providing adequate power for daily driving and highway passing maneuvers. The 8-speed automatic transmission shifts smoothly and intelligently, selecting appropriate gears for efficiency or performance based on driving style. Drive Mode Select allows customization of throttle response, transmission behavior, and available all-wheel drive characteristics. Speaking of all-wheel drive, the available system includes terrain mode for enhanced traction on challenging surfaces like snow, mud, or loose gravel. Standard 17-inch alloy wheels with machined finish provide attractive styling and sufficient tire sidewall for comfortable ride quality. Technology features include an available 12.3-inch digital cluster and 12.3-inch touchscreen display that present information clearly without overwhelming drivers with complexity. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration keeps smartphones connected without cable clutter. Smart Cruise Control with stop-and-go functionality handles highway traffic jams by automatically maintaining safe following distances and resuming speed when traffic flows again. Safety systems available on the Sportage include automatic emergency braking with pedestrian, cyclist, and junction detection. Critical features that prevent accidents before they happen. Driver attention warning with leading vehicle departure alert helps maintain focus during monotonous highway stretches. Available front and rear parking sensors simplify tight parking maneuvers, while High Beam Assist automatically manages headlight intensity based on surrounding traffic. LED projector headlights and LED rear combination taillights provide excellent visibility while consuming less energy than traditional bulbs. The leather-wrapped steering wheel feels substantial in hand, reinforcing the quality impression established by the rest of the interior. Number 1. Honda HR-V. Honda engineered the HR-V to excite, which sounds like marketing speak until you actually experience this SUV. Flowing lines and elevated finishing touches like slender LED headlights and available 18-inch alloy wheels create an unmistakably premium aesthetic that transcends the $26,500 starting price. This isn't another generic crossover trying to appeal to everyone. The HR-V possesses distinct character and purpose that becomes apparent the moment you see it. Refined styling meets practical functionality in an interior designed to impress. Seating accommodates up to 5 passengers, with a 60-40 split-second row that configures multiple ways to suit changing needs. Hauling furniture from the store, fold one section down, and keep 3 passengers comfortable. Need maximum cargo space? Drop both sections and access a surprisingly generous load area. This versatility makes the HR-V more useful than static cargo measurements suggest. Cloth seats provide comfort without pretentious leather that shows every scratch and requires constant maintenance. The 9-inch color touchscreen display presents information clearly, avoiding the overwhelming complexity plaguing some modern infotainment systems. Intelligence shows in features like hill descent control, which maintains steady speeds on steep downhill grades without constant brake pedal modulation. The multi-link rear suspension delivers ride quality that absorbs bumps and road irregularities while maintaining composed handling through corners. Available real-time AWD distributes torque to wheels with the best traction, enhancing stability on wet or slippery surfaces. The 158 horsepower engine won't win drag races, but it provides adequate power for daily driving while delivering respectable fuel economy. Audio quality matters to passengers, and the available 8-speaker 180-watt sound system fills the cabin with clear, balanced sound. The available wireless phone charger eliminates the cable tangle that clutters many vehicle interiors. Front and center console USB ports ensure all passengers can keep devices charged during long drives. Push-button start adds convenience, eliminating the fumble for keys when arms are full of groceries or gear. Safety technology available on the HR-V includes the collision mitigation braking system, which monitors traffic ahead and applies brakes if a collision seems imminent. Lane keeping assist system helps maintain proper lane position, reducing driver fatigue on long highway stretches. Adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow handles stop-and-go traffic by automatically adjusting speed to maintain safe following distances. The road departure mitigation system detects when the vehicle drifts toward lane edges and applies corrective steering or braking. The rear-view camera with dynamic guidelines shows exactly where the vehicle will track when backing up, making parking lot maneuvers and tight garages less stressful. Standard equipment includes 17-inch alloy wheels that balance attractive styling with ride comfort. Full LED headlights and LED brake lights provide excellent visibility while consuming less power than traditional bulbs. The roofline spoiler adds visual interest while potentially improving aerodynamics. Rear privacy glass keeps cargo and rear passengers concealed from prying eyes. Body-colored power side mirrors integrate smoothly with the overall design. Automatic climate control maintains comfortable cabin temperatures without constant manual adjustments. Streaming audio via Bluetooth allows wireless music playback from smartphones or tablets. The HR-V proves that smart packaging, thoughtful features, and engaging design don't require premium pricing or luxury badges, just engineers who understand what drivers actually need and want from a compact SUV. Found your next SUV? Drop a comment with your pick. Smash that like button, subscribe for more automotive goldmines, and hit the bell so you never miss our next reveal.